With this problem, we have someone flicks a spinner. Radius is 1.75 inches. Spinner makes 14 complete rotations and then travels another 340 degrees before stopping. How far does the end of the spinner travel? Express your answer in feet rounded to the nearest tenth. So the first thing that this does is 14 complete rotations. Okay, so one rotation is one circumference. So let's just go ahead and calculate circumference is 2 pi times r. R is 1.75 inches, so 2 pi times 1.75, and for that we're going to get 10.99 inches. So that's one time around the circle, but it went 14 times. Okay, so I'm going to take 10.99 and multiply that by 14. And so that's 153 inches. Okay, so let's keep this part over here. This is 14 rotations. And the next thing we're going to do is that additional 340 degrees. So with this, we'll use our formula. Arc length is the radius times the angle in radians. Now, we need to convert 340 to radians, so I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. Now, I'm going to reduce the fraction here to 34 pi over 18, and I could actually go ahead and reduce it further because there's a 2 in common, but really doesn't matter because when I make this, I just have to put a decimal in, and that's going to get out the arc length that we need. So I'm just going to put my radius in at 1.75, and I'm just going to crunch this and get a number out of the calculator. I get 5.93. Of course, we're all in inches, so that comes out to 10.38 inches. Okay, so I need to add these two together, and that's going to give me the total distance in inches. So 153 at 10.38 is 163.38 inches. Okay, so the final thing that I need to do is calculate this to, convert this to feet. So for every 12 inches, I've got 1 foot. So I'm essentially dividing this 163.38 divided by 12. That gives me 13.615. And it said feet rounded to the nearest tenth. So final answer is 13.6 feet. Okay, this is the distance that the spinner traveled in feet when it went around 14 times, and then another 340 degrees. 13.6 feet.